Been to rehab. He's all good now, you're all good, aren't you? He's all good. Sort of outwards, that I could physically see the screen from the other side, depending how you're steering at the time, so makes sense, doesn't it? Sadly guys, shortly after this was filmed, the UK went back into another lockdown whereby movement was for essential reasons only: work, social bubbles or food shopping. Welcome back, Madventure fans. Yet another episode of Changing the Windows. What's that here? You said changing the windows again? No, are we heckers like changing the windows? No, we're actually, you'll have to excuse the camera equipment here as well. I'm using my phone as a torch, so it's going to be a bit hit and miss, this one. We're between weather windows. I'm waiting for the weather to dry up so I can carry on with the painting outside, so I'll show you outside. That's where we're up to. You'll see that in another episode. We've got to finish the anti-slip and then tart the rest of it up next year. What we're actually doing is, while the weather's a bit naff, is we're going back to templating the windows. So I'll flip you back now to where I started. Well, back to where I started. Welcome back, Madventure fans. Return of the Windows 2. And as we left it last time, the windows were left in a bit of a mess, so we're undecided what to do with these. But I've got a plan, or I think I've got a plan. Who knows? Well, I can't take all the credit because it was actually Davey who mentioned it. Sorry Davey, I'm taking all the glory again, aren't I? We'll give it you, So what the plan is, we're going to destroy all this and get a brand new boat. That's what he said. There's plenty about round here because we're in Hull Marina, believe it or not, and there's some nice boats around as well, and they've got windows that look like they don't leak. And just thinking, I don't think anyone noticed any of the boats go missing, do you, Davey? On a more serious note, we're not going to steal any boats, are we, Davey? No. So what we're going to do is we're going to tack all this foam backing out and all this fake leather, as they call it, fox leather, faux leather, whatever you want to call it, F-A-U-X. And we're going to I'm going to template again. I did a template last time, but I'm going to do another template. I'm going to do a bigger one so I can grab the bolts. There's some bolts hiding at the top there and at the bottom. And the plan is we're going to cut out a piece of plyboard and just use painted ply, marine ply, and just going to shape an actual frame to the window now to tidy it up and make it look the part. So right, we'll get started then. I better get cracking, Davey. Come on, get cracking. I'll show you how it's done. Let's destroy the windows. So all I've done now, pulled everything down, cut a piece of cardboard out, and what I'm going to try and do now is get the bolts to push into the cardboard and make an imprint on the cardboard so then I can see roughly where the bolts are around the window. So here goes. Pencil. So that's that side, the window. So I've got both ends of the window now. I can see, no. So you can see, so I have to mark on the inside so I can see all that, and I know roughly. Welcome back. So here we are again, we're back at the windows. This is where we're at. We've got the cardboard cut out, that's all. Start waiting. We're going to come across here we've got marine ply. It's 18mm thick, 600mm wide by 1500mm long. And Davey's just sat, actually I don't know what Davey's doing. We've not a clue what Davey's doing today, but yeah, if not much is what we all know. What's that? Not much. Yeah, you do naff. You don't even put kettle on when we got here. Hey. This is what we put up with, guys. This is what we put up with. So what we're going to do is we'll take the cardboard template out and we'll place it upon the actual marine ply. Mark it all up. We're not going to cut the marine ply here. I'm just going to flip you to... Welcome to the secret layer. We call it a secret layer because the people who own it don't know we're here. So, shh. Between me, you and the rest of the world, they'll never know. And I do say we, but actually, I mean me. Guess where he is, guys? You guessed it. Down at the tavern again, having a few of them. Once a pirate, always a pirate. You'll never change him. Been like that for centuries, so forget him. And what we'll do is I'll show you. We've brought the plyboard here now, so I'll show you where we are with the plyboard. I'll bring you down here, if I can. Yep. So we're down here now, and what I've done is the jigsaw's ready. I'm going to jigsaw this out. I'll trim that straight across there. We'll lose that piece there. That may come in use later on for the actual two smaller front windows, fingers crossed. Might just be big enough. So wish us luck, guys, and hopefully this goes well. I've never done it. This is just something here in my mind that it may turn out a load of rubbish, so we'll see. Follow us for this next clip. Whoa, 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 come back, come back, come back. I'm forgetting to show you this bit. What I've done is put that on there like that. Go around with my pencil. Round there like that. And when you take it away, you've got, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, you've got a rough line. And then all I'll do is I'll add a little bit extra to it. Same there and there. And then we'll cut it a bit closer inwards so it overhangs. And then what you'll see here is that if I overhang it by, say, that much, I can then just fill the gap with silicone then in between there and there, so that'll seal up the window as well a bit better. I'll flip you back to, go on, flip you back, go on, back. It's a bit hit and miss as well with this. You've just got to play about with the actual shape of it, so we'll try this for now, see how this goes. So I'm just going to get a nice straight edge to work with there, so that gives me a nice internal straight edge along the inside of the window. Same again here. So it'll be individual shapes and sizes for every window. I can't give you a guideline to work with on this. This is just what I'm working with on these windows. So that's that. And then all I need to do then is just sort of give it a nice curve then to that. So I might do that freehand then. And do that, so we'll go freehand around there. The final cut, it's here. So there's the shape of them, and then we'll round them all off, make them look pretty. At the minute it's just rough at the minute. Just got one more cut down the middle, and I've got two window frames then. Like I say, 18mm thick, so make sure I've got a so that's sort of, you're talking to the first knuckle of your finger, it's quite thick. So plenty of thickness, plenty of support. I plan to put like 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts bolt it to the actual window, silicone round that edge, and we've got a nice tight seal on the window then. So, and also it'll tidy it up and make it look pretty as well, because that's where it's missing at the minute. It's been missing for a long time, it just looks a bit shabby at the minute. So fingers crossed guys, fingers crossed we're on the final run, Thank you for watching, we'll catch you next time on Madcat Sailing. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mateys. For the sake of health and safety out there, always remember to wear these safety glasses.